back. So that is the end for this week's unboxing video of the 1400 scale Enterprise D. And next week I will unbox the... Next week I will continue with my Robocop build. I think I'm up to episode 10 by now. But because I'm on my house hunting trip, I will be scheduling it to upload because you don't get reliable internet at my parents' place. So I'm making sure that all the videos for next Friday, which will be not May 17th, but May 24th, I will schedule them on Victoria Day weekend to upload afterwards so that everything's online. You know, upload as scheduled. And of course, I'll be doing the same thing about 2 months later in July. I might schedule a couple of weeks worth of videos to be uploaded during my move so that if I'm in between internet services, there won't be any interruption in my video uploads. Okay, so that's all for now for Sean's model builds, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.